This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: your Jio Fiber account or registered mobile and a linked payment method. Open Google Pay and unlock it. If needed, update the app first. Once done, tap the search bar to find billers. Typing Jio Fiber narrows results quickly, and you'll see the official Jio listing. Select it. Make sure the account details you enter match the Jio record to avoid payment routing errors before moving to amount entry. Now enter your Jio Fiber account number or registered mobile carefully. Small typos cause failed or misapplied payments. After entering details, Google Pay often displays the subscriber name. Confirm it. Next, type the recharge amount or pick a plan if shown. This ensures you're paying the correct cycle. Select your payment instrument, UPI or saved card, then review any convenience fees. Pause to recheck everything on the confirmation screen before you authorize the transaction with UPI PIN or card OTP. Complete the recharge by authorizing the transaction. Enter your UPI PIN or card OTP when prompted. Once payment succeeds, Google Pay shows a confirmation and reference ID. Save or screenshot it immediately. If the app reports pending, wait a few minutes and refresh the Jio Fiber app or account portal to verify credit. If it didn't go through, check your bank balance, UPI limits, and transaction history. Retry after 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.